If your sneeze feels like a hurricane, you're not far off. Get ready to be amazed. That's right, when you sneeze, those tiny droplets can rocket out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. That's 161 kilometers per hour. Just imagine a race car zooming by. Now imagine that speed coming out of your face. Crazy, huh? Here's the science. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose. It's like a supercharged cleaning crew. Your muscles contract, pressure builds up, and bam! Out it goes in a flash. And get this, sneezes can send over 100,000 germs flying through the air. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, cover your nose and mouth. Spread knowledge, not germs. Stay curious, science fans, and remember, keep your sneezes in check. See you next time.